So Apple just released a new edition lineup of their phones and gadgets and watch and earbuds. We start kicking off through the earbuds. What we want to call the AirPod Pro 3s. This coming at a $249 price. They have new features in this one. All live translations powered by the Apple Intelligence. They got gesture to activate the live translations, which is a cool thing. That's probably the biggest update information of technology to me out of all the lineups of the products. You can speak coming in when you speak is coming in quieter, the translation's coming in louder. For two people, if they got AirPods together, they conduct the conversation and it would translate. There is like a delay to, like in the display video they were showing, it's like a delay when the information's coming in. So it's probably not the smoothest, but still the information and innovation is dope as hell. More active noise cancellation. I mean, how much can it cancel? But that's nothing too crazy. And then we go to the phone. I find the 17 Pro, which is coming in like 1100. The same specs. Then there's nothing it's cookie cutter. It's nothing really better than the other previous ones. Delivers 40% more sustained performance from the 16. Better battery life, 39 hours. Video playback, they say. The camera, is always an upgrade. More technology added. With Dolby Vision HDR, 4K, 120 ProRes log, raw film. They got gun lock support. They got 1 to 2 to 4x telephoto, 8 photo, digital zoom for the photos. A chamber, like a water chamber, saying that water can help from overheating and stuff like that. I guess that's pointless. I mean, if you're really into the tech stuff, like the nuances of the iPhone, sure, I guess. But nothing like super crazy stood out. It's all standard things they've been upgraded from the previous last iPhones in the last 10 years. So those are the key points there. They did launch a new version, the iPad Air, which is supposed to be some new product. I think they want to see if it sticks to the wall, if it sells. I think they're trying to find something that was successful just as the iPhone SE. And I don't know who else will get that. But this one is super thin with 5.6 millimeters width and 6.5 Super Retina XDR display. They got a new chip. Was an N1 chip for them and a C1 model. 48 megapixels camera is not even better than so this camera is not even better than the iPhone 17. And so I don't know. The battery life stays all day, but I think that's for it to be a small and thinner phone. I doubt that that's true because smaller device means smaller battery. I don't think that's gonna last all day. So I think they're just making that up. Just to give you them talking selling points as usual. They did the iPhone, they did the Apple Watch. Though I'm not a consumer, I won't speak because I don't know too much about it. But they always had some good things. I might become one because of the heart rate monitor, and they added another one. I think hemoglobin or something like that. But there's another new feature they did add to it, to help with the not just heart rate and the sleep stuff. It was just another one, but new things over there. That's cool, but pretty much, man, let me know your thoughts. The iPhone 17 is here. It's literally coming out. They start shipping them out next week, and pre-orders are this Friday. Are you guys getting one? Or are you guys going to be in the rat race circle, chasing that carrot, just like everybody else in this Apple ecosystem?